Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Pull That String. My name is Ed and today I'm here to teach you a song by Coldplay. The song's name is Yellow. So let me give you a demo of the song. This is a very good song to play for beginners, and if you know a few of those simple chords that they teach all the time, then you should be able to play this song. Now let's quickly jump into the tutorial part of this song. You need to place your capo on the second fret of your guitar, and the first chord that you must play is A minor, which is very simple. You place your index, middle and the ring finger on fourth, third and second string of your guitar on the second fret, like so. Then you need to play an E minor, which is very simple. Put your index, the index and the middle finger on the fifth and the fourth string of the second fret, like so. Then you need to play a D major chord, which is very simple. Put your index finger on the the third string of the second fret, your middle finger on the first string, second fret, and your middle finger on the second string, third fret. This is quite hard to remember, you know. All right, so it goes like this. So while playing A minor, at some point you need to shift your ring finger down to the third fret of the second string, like so, and then drop it back on the second string, second fret. Like so. You will have to practice this technique few times to get good at it. Keep practicing. All right, now you need to play an F chord. I will play my F chord like this. I will bar the entire second fret and I will put my ring and pinky finger on the fifth and fourth string of the fourth fret. So when this part comes, you play an F chord. So you transition the chords like so. F, then E major. To play an E major, you simply have to play an E minor and just put your index finger on the third string of the first fret and then just play a D major. So let's do it again. Look at the stars. A minor, E minor, D major, D major, Alright guys, that's it. I hope this helps you. I hope this will help you enough to play this song better than you used to play a day before. And if you never knew this chord progression, then please follow the link in the description below, and I will also leave the chord shapes for you in the description below. So enjoy the song. Thanks for watching. I will see you on the next video. Goodbye.